In this video, guys, I'm going to talk about the one trade that took place on the 1st of April 2016, because in conjunction with news releases and the software you can make a lot of money. So let me go through what happened. So in a previous video I talked about trading times and using the Forex Factory calendar to give you an idea of when high impact news is coming out. Now make a note of this one, guys, it's very, very important. This news release here, non-farm employment change, is the highest impact news in the financial markets and occurs on the first Friday of every month. Okay, first Friday of every month, biggest news release in the financial markets. So it's one that you should all be watching and potentially trying to profit from. So a lot of traders will be waiting for this news release, and including myself, and when we look to profit from it. So we know, based on this calendar, the first Friday of every month this news release is coming out, 8:30 AM Eastern, which is 1:30 GMT. So I'm getting ready for this news release and the software's running, so let's go and see what happens. So bear in mind, my broker is 2 hours ahead, so the times will be slightly off, but it doesn't really matter. Let me just explain what happens. Let me slow this down. Okay, I'll speed it up a little. I've got to be careful because it happens so fast. So we get this buy trade early on in the day. It's a loser. Well, that's tough. That happens. And then we get this. Let me just speed this very. I've got to be very careful not to go over too fast, because I want to try and show you this in real time. What I'll do is I'm just going to pause this video for a second, just so that the price action catches up, and then I can show you in real time what happens. Let me just pause this. Okay, so this, obviously, like I said, the time's out slightly because of my broker, but this is the news release. It's come out 1:30 Eastern. Watch what happens. The market starts a huge sell-off. So we go down, down, down. I just want to try. I'll try and speak at the same time as this develops. It's quite an interesting video, this one, guys. I don't think I'm going to be able to cover it off in one video, but I'll try. So as you see, price drops fast, and millions of novices and traders will be thinking, oh, the market's collapsing, I'm going to look for sell trades. So they all start jumping in, and indeed the price does collapse. But watch what happens. You'll see how accurate the software was. So the software says, oh, look at this, right? Let me just pause that 1 second. Everybody's selling, but the software says no, the market's turning. Okay. Now, incidentally, the Dow Jones is about to open. Okay. Because 2:30 GMT, I've already been through this in another video. 2:30, the Dow Jones opens in GMT, which is 9:30 Eastern. Dow Jones opens, and just before the open, the software has decided that there's a buy opportunity here. Now, we've just had a very high impact news release, and the Dow Jones is opening. If the software is correct, we should, in theory, see a lot of potential buyers coming in now, because the Dow Jones is about to open. Watch what happens. Okay. This is where you can profit, guys. This is using news releases and the opening of the Dow Jones at the same time. The Dow Jones, when it opens, you get lots of volatility. Now watch this. The Dow Jones at this point is open. So you're either going to get lots and lots of sellers at this point, or lots and lots of buyers, because the market's just open, right? So you have your take profit set here. You could at this point move your take profit out of the way, move it up. Okay, because you don't. If we're right, and the software's correct, the Dow Jones is just open. You're going to get a lot of professional buying coming in, right? So if it's really fast, you're going to get taken out. Your take profit will get hit fast, but you could potentially make a lot more. So I would move your take profit. But this is coming to the end of this first 5-minute video, so I'll stop it now and then continue in another video.